Let us see the next organ, that is liver. As you know, the location, it is present in right hypochondriac region mainly, extending to the left to epigastric and extending to the left hypochondriac region. It is about 1.5 kg in weight average. It is vase-shaped organ. So see, the right side is broad and the left side is tapering, and the main feature is the sharp inferior border. So in anatomical position, this broad area should be on the right side, tapering end to the left side. This sharp border should be inferiorly, where you can see this notch, that is the cystic notch for the gallbladder, and this area, which is the cut portion of inferior vena cava, it should be directed upwards. So if you just keep the forceps like this is the anatomical position of the liver. That is the broad area on the right side, the IVC directed upwards, and sharp inferior border. Now let us see the surfaces and borders. Most of the area is covered by the diaphragm and related with anterior abdominal wall, except this lower portion, which is called as visceral surface or inferior surface. Rest all area can be called as diaphragmatic or parietal surface, which can be again divided as right lateral area, anterior area, superior surface and posterior surface. I will repeat again: right lateral, anterior, superior and posterior surface. This is the inferior or visceral surface. The border which is clearly seen is the inferior border, which is very sharp. So now let us see the next, that is the different ligaments related with the liver. This is the main ligament called as falciform ligament, which we have seen already with the peritoneum. The reflection of parietal peritoneum to the liver from both the sides. So there are two, right and left fold. This is the falciform ligament. It is sickle shaped fold. Along its free margin is the ligamentum teres hepatis, which is the remnant of left umbilical vein. This falciform ligament will divide the liver anatomically into right 2/3 right lobe and smaller left 1/3 left lobe. Posteriorly, this will pass through this plane of fissure for ligamentum venosum. This is the fissure for ligamentum venosum. Ligamentum venosum is a remnant of ductus venosum, which will connect the left branch of portal vein with the inferior vena cava, and this is the fissure for ligamentum teres. So this plane will divide it into right 2/3 and left 1/3. As you can see, this is unequal division. While equally also you can divide the liver into two parts. Here the plane will pass from the plane of inferior vena cava, and this is the gallbladder in the gallbladder fossa. So the plane will pass through this area, which will divide the liver into equal right and left halves, which are again divided into anterior, posterior, medial, lateral, and finally into 8 segments. That division is physiological or functional or surgical division according to the area of supply of hepatic artery or drainage by portal vein and the bile duct. So there are two ways of classifying: anatomical and functional.